Changing the language in the Cash app is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to adjust the language settings in the app. Step 1. Open Cash app. Launch the Cash app on your mobile device. Ensure you are logged into your account to access the settings. Step 2. Access account settings. Tap on the profile icon or the account tab, usually located in the upper right corner of the screen. This will take you to your account settings. Step 3. Find language settings. Scroll through the settings menu until you find the language option. This may be listed under General Settings or Preferences. Step 4. Select Preferred Language. Tap on the language option to view the available languages. Choose your preferred language from the list provided. Step 5. Save changes. After selecting your desired language, make sure to save the changes. You may need to restart the app for the new language settings to take effect. By following these steps, you can easily change the language in the Cash app. If you encounter any issues, consider checking the app's help section or contacting customer support for assistance.